Good evening, my dear students. I am Mrs. Parvati, PGT Physics, Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Again, I am just discussing a very, very important point in potentiometer and meter bridge or Wheatstone bridge, anyone. Okay. So, what do you mean? First of all, I would like to discuss about what do you mean by sensitivity of potentiometer. What do you mean by sensitivity? The smallest potential difference that can be measured by large balancing length, that is, potential gradient K must be less. If you want to measure the potential difference, very, very small value, 0.01, the length of the wire must be very large. Then we call it as potentiometer is sensitive. Okay, so that is, for getting the more sensitive potentiometer, we need to consider the potential gradient must be very, very less. What is potential gradient? Potential difference per unit length of the wire, potentiometer wire. So, potential gradient must be less. Then we call it as the potentiometer is more sensitive and it is more accurate. Accuracy ज़्यादा है. That means I want to measure 0.01 volt potential difference. Means I should see the reading of the length of the wire, balancing length large. Then only we can call it as the potentiometer is sensitive here. So I am asking you one question. You can think about the answer. Okay. I have given you two potentiometers. One is having 5 meters wire length, another is having 10 meters length. Which one I prefer? 10 meters. Why? Because V by L is potential gradient which should be very, very small. So when it will small, when L is large. So I prefer to increase the sensitivity of potentiometer wire. I prefer 10 meters wire, not 5 meters wire. Got it? Okay. So then how do you find out the sensitivity? The sensitivity is, just now I said the potential gradient must be very, very less. We know that V is equal to IR, where I into R is equal to rho L by A. So we write here V is equal to I rho by A into L. I rho by A into L here. L, or V is proportional to L. We have done this V by L, I rho by A, it's constant here. So constant. When I and rho are constant, then K is constant. So it means potentiometer wire must be of uniform cross section and I must be constant, that is uniform, as well as less for the same material rho here. I must be very, very less here. Less. Then only I must be less and constant. Both are correct. Less and constant. Then only we are getting the more sensitive device, that is potentiometer here. So how do you increase the sensitivity of potentiometer wire? Potentiometer. To increase the sensitivity here, we have to increase the length of the wire and we have to reduce the current flowing through the wire with the help of rheostat. Rheostat को adjust करके current कम भेजना है and length must be very, very high. In this way, the current sensitivity will be increased. Voltage, the sensitivity of potentiometer can be increased by reducing current and by increasing the length of the potentiometer wire. Now, let us come back to the meter bridge. In meter bridge, what would you mean by sensitivity of meter bridge here? It means that maximum current flows through galvanometer in unbalanced condition. The bridge is balanced. P by Q is equal to R by X. When it is in unbalanced condition, through galvanometer it flows maximum current. Then it has got more accuracy. More sensitivity means more accuracy the device. Okay. So we know that the sensitivity is given by theta by dr by r. What is dr by r? Fractional change in resistance. If dr is a error and r is the original, dr by r is fractional change in unknown resistance, and that should be in known resistance here. That should be very, very small. Then only sensitivity will be more here. For this condition, we know that P by Q must be 1 So R by X is also equal to 1. The balancing point must be at the center, nearly 50 centimeters. Then only P by Q is equal to R by X here. Okay, students. So this is about voltage sensitivity. That is sensitivity of potentiometer and sensitivity of meter bridge. What are the methods to increase the sensitivity of potentiometer? By increasing the length of the wire and by reducing current with the help of rheostat. Whereas in case of sensitivity of meter bridge, how can you say that? We have to take the balance point approximately at the middle point only. We have to adjust P and Q in such a way that the balancing point should come at the middle. Then only we call it as it is more sensitive meter bridge here. Okay. So some other questions also given in NCERT solved questions here. Please go through it. Don't forget. Solve it as soon as you listen this video. Open the textbook and see the worked out examples of all these things, Kirchhoff's rules applications and this potentiometer and meter bridge and all here. Okay children, see you, bye bye.